Many of you have already seen Telegram bots with integrated GPT chat and maybe even used them yourself. We will create such a bot in a few minutes. Anyone can create it, as long as everything is done as shown in the video. We analyze two options for creating such a bot. The first is difficult, the second is simple. I want to point out right away that such a bot works as long as your computer works. But no one has forbidden you from doing all this on a virtual machine. We will not rewrite the code from scratch because we are not programmers. Instead, we use the pre-made source code available on GitHub. Go to GitHub and search for ChatGPT Telegram bot. Then choose one of the desired ones. I will select the second one from the list because it allows you to instantly create an image based on a text request, convert text to speech, and most importantly, connect ChatGPT here. To get started, we need to install Python. Download it from the official website. But most importantly, during installation, check the box, add Python to path. If you forget it in a hurry, delete it and reinstall. Install Docker in the same way. For a complex but functional bot, we need Docker. After installing all the necessary components, we need to download all the files of our bot. Go to the installation section and copy the first line. Then, create a folder on your desktop where our bot files will be stored. Open this folder and type cmd into the address bar of the Explorer to open the command line in this folder. This is done to avoid having to specify the folder path in the command line, saving time and simplifying the process. Next, paste the previously copied command from the installation section into the opened command line, press enter, and wait for the download process to complete. Once we are sure all files are loaded, we switch to this folder. Now, we need to specify the API through which everything works. Look for the file env.example and open it with an editor or another text editor. In the OpenAI open key field, enter our OpenAI key. It is very easy to find. Go to the platform, openai.com, find the API section. Key, create a new key, and add it to the environment. Sample file. Next, you need to create the bot itself in Telegram. Find the bot father account and follow the instructions. After following all the instructions, you will receive a token for your bot. Paste this token into a text document. Just one small step left, then we will start our bot. The following lines after the Telegram bot token contain important points. Admin user ID. Here, enter the Telegram IDs of the accounts that should act as administrators if needed. Immediately after the line, admin user ID, follow the IDs of users who are allowed to use the bot. If you do not need a separate setting, simply write an asterisk directly after the equals sign. This way, everyone who knows your bot can use all its features. The setup of the bot is complete. Save and close the notebook. Now change the format by removing the example point and converting it into the NV format. Everything is ready. You just need to run it with Docker. To do this, go back to GitHub and look for the Docker section. Manual create. Copy the first line from this section. Open the console and paste this text. Wait until our bot is assembled from all files. After we see that everything went well, we just need to run the bot. Copy the line below from the Docker section in the Create a Bot manual and paste it into the console. If we see such a message, it means our bot is running and we can test it. We look for our bot, which we created in Telegram, open its profile, press start, and receive hints about possible actions. This bot can create images, decrypt audio files, generate audio files from text, and runs with GPT-4 Turbo. Let's check the code that our bot has written for us. Everything works perfectly, which is good news. Let's create a simple bot. To do this, we need to install Python and the libraries used. Everything is in the Notion file. create a simple text document in any folder. Copy the code from the Notion file, paste it into the text document, and change the API key and the Telegram bot token. Save and close the file. Remove the TXT format and write the PI format. Open the console as before from the folder where we created our bot. Type the name of our file PI into the console, press enter, and everything is ready. This bot does not have the same functionality as the previous one. It can only answer questions and works on GPT-3 and 5 Turbo. If needed, we can change the version in line 35 of the code itself. When we close the console, the bot no longer functions. That's all. Neural networks.